Sour.
Sweet and sour. So that was like more like barbecue.
Yeah.
Kind of thing.
Yeah, barbecue this one.
That one. More like barbecue. This one's like sweet and sour.
We don't want to waste any sauce. We want to get the whole thing in because everything costs money, doesn't it, Rach?
Yes, it does.
Yep. We're not wasting a thing. We are not.
No, we're not.
So what I do now is I will where's our so I'm gonna salt that.
Yep.
And pepper, we had leftover pepper. Leftover pepper.
Yep.
Whoa. There you go. And ooh, oregano.
Oh, oregano.
Ooh, give it some love.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
I think that's it.
That's it. All right.
Good.
Teamwork makes the dream work. I'll go here. Oh, forgot to add the potatoes.
That's all right. Do all match.
Mash. Okay. All right. I got this. I just need my peel of this Rachel sibling. Okay, where are we?
35.
Oh, I'm the queen of this now.
And should be in the second drawer.
Which one? The pillar, yes. See how we're gonna use this range? Makes it quicker. And then,
Yep.
I need to boil your
Yep, that too.
that one.
You want to do that too?
Where's the small
Alright, so,
pot? You had a small pot.
To stop it, pause it, plus that one there. Not yet,
Oh yeah.
but yeah.
It's the little pot. Wait. I want the
Stop
little
it, and let's close it.
for
Yeah, so pause,
pause.
stop, and then close it.
Do you want me to do that?
Close it, and then that.
Boom.
Yeah, not now, but
Yeah, when I finish. Wait, hey, where's our other small pot?
no more than 15 minutes.
Okay, otherwise it'll go flat.
No, oh, otherwise I'll run out of time.
Ah, okay. I'm looking for the small potty.
Yeah, I was going to be bathroom.
You go, darling. You go. Where are we? Oh. That was that pot? Actually, I might just... Oh, here it is. I was looking for this. This is for her pasta, ravioli actually. To cut the time in half, we boil the ketchup and getting got some lighting. There we go. Can we see each other? Yes. Whoop. That one. Yes. So when that sizzling, so stop it.